WeChat on Windows 10, the login trick that saves you from being locked out. Unlock the full power of WeChat on desktop. Never lose access when your phone isn't around. So why you need the desktop client? Type faster, work smarter. Leave the tiny phone struggle behind. A full keyboard makes professional and academic messaging dramatically faster. Desktop exclusive feature, high quality video and voice calls and drag and drop, larger files and keyboard shortcuts, all unavailable on mobile. Seamless sync your chat history syncs across device, creating continuous collaboration bridge between phone and desktop. The standard login hurdle, the QR code bar. WeChat requires mobile device verification via QR code for every single session, a strict security measure that becomes a pain point fast. So when you get locked out, your phone battery dies, you left it at home, the mobile app isn't active, suddenly your desktop session is inaccessible. Web version falls short. The browser-based alternative lacks full chat history, video call support is stable connectivity compared to the native desktop app. So the auto login trick, one checkbox instantly access series, how to enable it. Scan QR, enable auto login and instant access. So, pro tips for seamless experience: manage your session, disable auto logging anytime via settings in the desktop app, and account safety first on shared PCs. Some users prefer focusing a fresh QR scan every time. So keep your phone handy. Payment confirmation menu program authorization still requires mobile level security. So there you guys. Hope you guys do enjoy any more questions, concerns. Tabi daw ako sa malagay sa as soon as possible, and thank you guys.